Hi, I'm Harold from Giant Loop, and today we're going to talk about our adventure-proof packing systems and gear. These are our Bushwackers Handguards, and for cold, wind, rain, mud, these just maximize your hand protection and keep your controls clean. Enduro racers love them for racing in the mud, keeping the mud out of their controls and off of their gloves. If you have heated grips on your bike, there's less airflow behind the Bushwackers, so your heated grips work more efficiently to keep your hands warm. And they strap on and off in just a few seconds, so as long as you have rigid deflectors, they strap on and they just pop right off when you don't need them, and you can stow them away. This is a super tough UV coated plastic that also makes a good tire changing mat if you're out in the field and you need to fix a flat. I've used these to keep the dirt out of my bearings. So you do want to make sure that the straps are not interfering with any of your cables or your controls, but they literally just install in a few seconds. The super rugged pronghorn straps that come with the Bushwackers can also be removed from the Bushwackers and used separately if you find yourself in need of some straps. So super tough, good piece of kit, made in USA.